a kid underneath me.
Connector, kick connector.
Dumbo,
kick connector.
McDumbo. Dumby McDumbertons.
The middle part of the cave right there.
Crouch walking like Derek. Nice. V. Krita, who's the best player in the lobby.
Ever crouch walked in my life?
GG's.
I don't know how to.
Get to Bravo. Enemy bomb planted.
Here we go, Vin. We come at him from different sides at the same time. Or you just fucking be the best player in the game!
Oh my god!
Honestly, that's exactly what you get.
What just happened?
I'm so happy.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my goodness!
Man, you can't even. Man, you,
That's amazing. You guys
can't even
are
have it,
fucking
bro.
best. That's fucking.
Ben can't even. Can't even do that. Like, no,
Holy
man, you can't even. No way.
shit, dude!
I'm on the fucking wall.
I can't breathe! Oh, it hurts to breathe!
Oh, I'm so sad.
Oh, my breather.
Go on me. Dude, did you just see that? Yo, what the fuck? Another split 5 on. On it. No! Honestly, I should have just fucking killed it.
Not all right.
GG's. Good work, guys. GG's. GG's.
Shut the fuck up. You're garbage.
GG.
Shut up. I want to hear your voice.
GG.
But you're low
Dude,
key.
I found your.
Yo, how do you
Good work.
sometimes be so good
That's
at
what you
COD
do.
and play
Oh
on
my goodness.
same time?
How do you have time to fuck my sister and be this amazing at COD? I agree.
It's insane.
Search and destroy.
Oh! I hit marker the 5th. No! Oh! Watch me. Watch me naughty these kids. Good night, them. Good night, all of them. Oh shit, dude. I'm behind everybody, dude. This is crazy. Somebody get this fucking gun out of my hand.
Oh my god! Oh my god, that would have been insane if I hit that! Oh! Joe, you have no idea I'm going off right now! Oh my god! Oh my god, what's happening to me? I'm the best player! Joe, I just hit something fucking naughty! And it was split though! Dude, I don't know what's going on with me! Fucking take this gun away from me! It's crazy over here! Holy shit, dude!